Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how we perform a $700 car detailing service on this Toyota Corolla. $700 for a car wash? This isn't a normal wash. I'm going to be removing imperfections in the paint and applying a 5-year ceramic coating. We start by cleaning the tires to remove any dirt and grime, making them look shiny as ever. First, we spray on an all-purpose cleaner to knock down any loose dirt or grime that is built up onto the tire. Next, we spray on the iron remover to really break down the remaining brake dust and dirt on the wheel. As you can see, we are scrubbing all aspects of the wheel and tire to make them look as brand new as possible. Next, we rinse the car to remove any loose dirt and debris. We then spray the car with an all-purpose cleaner to break down any stubborn dirt or grime. After that, we apply soap to the car and begin hand washing it. We wash in the direction that wind flows to avoid micro scratches in your paint. We then use a decontamination spray to remove any iron or tar that's caked onto the paint. After letting it sit and react with the paint, we rinse off the decontamination spray. We then use soap as a lubricant for our claimant to pick up any remaining iron particles. The car is then rinsed thoroughly to remove all the soap and dirt. We then dry the vehicle to ensure that no water spots are left behind. Once I dry off the paint, I'm going to be pulling it into the garage, which is where I will be doing my paint correction. Under the lights, you're going to be seeing all the imperfections I'm going to be removing. Next, we use a one-step paint correction to remove any small defects in the paint. Here's uncorrected, and here's corrected. After the paint was corrected, I made sure to make the wheels look perfect by adding tire shine and polishing the rims. We then prep the car with a prep spray to ensure that the ceramic coating will bond properly. Finally, we apply the ceramic coating to the car in a crosshatch motion, and then we level it with a towel. It's important to discard the towel after leveling. So what does the ceramic coating do? Well, it creates a protective layer on top of your car's paint that repels dirt, water, and other contaminants. If any of you watching are in the Houston or Greater Houston area and would like to get this service done to your vehicle, reach out through the links in the bio.